Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, sweetie. And if you already know me, you know what I was going to say. Well, if you're new to the channel, welcome back, baby. Today, I am going to read what can I propose? Oh, oh yeah. Do you know Tekken? Guys, a lot of people like say, I don't know if you realize this, but people say we are dating. Literally, we are not. We just are in the same school. We know each other. Our moms know each other, so it doesn't mean that we are dating, guys. For real, like I'm very serious. Like I'm very serious. And also, don't think that me and Bukamuso are friends. No, we are not. I just go. And don't think that I'm causing other people. I don't. I'm just trying to make the video better. And to let you know, I am Natalie's daughter. Just listen. Okay, I'm not going to reveal this yet, but okay guys, follow for part 2. And that video what says where what should I'm going to do on the other videos, guys. That's some important people, because I'm trying to make the video better with me. Please subscribe and like. I know you like. I know you don't like my videos, but one thing it should be fun. Like the one that's just especially now with the people that I did. Like guys, don't think that I didn't draw them. I drew them. Like please comment if you know. Please like, subscribe, share, and share this video with a friend. Comment down below if you love me or not. If you don't love me, it's okay, but if you love me, please like to show that you love me. Like and subscribe and follow. That's when I'll see that you love me. I will see. If you don't love me, just comment down below. You're very ugly. I don't like you. So follow for part 2 or like for part